Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially Sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making pineapple drink and orange drink. We are going to make a mix of both and then another individual batch of the pineapple drink. These are videos I already have on the channel, but I made it for my 1 year of YouTube celebration I did with my colleagues at work. So you can find the full details of making this drink on the channel. I mean both drinks. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Before all this was done, I washed the gallons thoroughly and cleaned it and then dried it out since I bought it from the market and I didn't know what germs came into contact with it, so I decided to keep it as clean as possible for this. Here I've already made the drinks. As you can see, these are both the pineapple drinks and then the orange drink at the end. So I'm going to flavor it as I want. You can note all of those in the videos I already have on the channel relating to this. So I'll be using a multi-fruit flavoring and then a strawberry flavoring according to my preference. The multi-fruit will be mixed with the orange pine drink and then the strawberry will be mixed with the pineapple drink. After adding in the flavors, I'll then mix the orange juice with the pineapple drink and then bring them together. Then I'll add in the flavoring, mix it together once again. After that, I placed into it a funnel which I've already washed and cleaned, and then use the cup which has already been washed and cleaned to drink into the gallons until it is filled up completely. After doing that, I'll then cover it with the lids of the gallons and then place onto the sides of the gallons my business sticker. And this is how it looks after everything was done. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.